अखिल गोंय पावंड्या वयली पयली कुशू कुंफू ही सर्त आयतारा बस्तोरा हांगासर जाली। हातूंत सुमार 125 सर्तकांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो। ह्या सर्तीक उत्स्फूर्त प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा अशी माहिती अमन लोटलीकर हांणी दिल्या। अर्डेक्स खातीर बस्तोरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
This is the first time we are organizing this Wushu Kung Fu Association of Goa is organizing a state level tournament, and under the able leadership of the trainer, Mr. Master Leslie Mikai, who is training all the students, and around 125 participants had participated in this tournament of ours. Okay, out of which the age groups we have got a fabulous response for this tournament. Actually, the participants who participated were from the age group of 5 years up till ranging up to 65 years. That is which comes under senior category, senior citizenship category. In which ladies and gents also of senior citizen category has participated. So I'd like to say this is, it's like we have got a fabulous response, and looking at the response, we have decided to hold it every year, and the Master Leslie has taken all the trouble to make this tournament successful, and there are many people who have done the tournament successful. Like for example, Sitakam Kamath is there, who is the secretary of our association, who has also taken a lot of trouble to make this program successful. We had this time we had kept the tournament for short period, like 2 days. Now we have come to understand that we can't manage it in 2 days because of the response what we have got. Now next year, next time, whenever we will be holding, we have to keep it for three days now. Because we can't manage. Morning 8:30 we are sitting here, and we have to sit till 1 o'clock, I think, in the night.